Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this BoAt Airdopes Kick earbuds. So today I am going to show you how to pair this Airdopes Kick model to the smart device. So without wasting any time, let me start and show you how to pair this. So this is the earbud. Now I have opened the Bluetooth page here in the mobile. I am going to turn on the Bluetooth. So it will start searching. Just we have to open this case here. It will start pairing here. The earbuds will go to pairing mode. You can see automatically it has been listed here, Airdopes Kick. So just I am going to click that. So it is asking allow access to your contacts and call history. So I am giving the access to the contacts and call history so that it can access. I am just clicking the pair button here. So it has been connected. You can see current device supports AAC codec. However, AAC may fail to play sound due to compatibility issues. Your device switched to SBC codec automatically. You can change this in the settings. Okay. So this mobile doesn't support that much AAC still. So the default SBC codec has been enabled. So no problem. Just I'm clicking OK here. So it has been connected now. So I'm going to show you a small demo by playing a song here. So I'm going to take out the buds which is already paired. I'm going to use the studio mic here. If you want to listen the audio quality of these earbuds, please use your earphones or headphones so that you may feel the proper sound quality. You may listen the proper sound quality. So I'm just going to play the song here. So this is the one side. I am going to show you the other side. Alright, so this is the audio quality of this Airdopes Kick earbuds. So I am going to put this back to its case. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.